Hey up, lads and ladies, welcome to the old concession. What brings you about? Oh yes, all the nonsense about the electronics and the... What? Oh yes, the colors. Yes, surely. Now, I know you all know this because you've been researching this on your own, but I'll still give you a refresher on your two best friends. What I like to call the toggle and the inverter. Now, if you press the button, it lights a light. Wonderful. But if you press again, well, it does nothing. What were you expecting? That there be more lights? For that, you need to put in the toggle. To put it here, now, well, just for the quirk of the game, sometimes you need to toggle it twice. Now you can shut it off and turn it back on, like it's made by some fruit company. But if we want one light on and one light off, you can't really do that until you put this one at the end of the line. With the inverter, you've got yourself a toggle. What is it, lass? You're not here for the toggle, you're here for the colors. You got to learn everything. But with the colors, you put in the code for instant red. Red is wonderful. Now if you press the button, you don't get red. You see, you got to learn everything. Because now, if you put things together, you get your toggle in the middle. This one activates the valve. Now, as you can see, I can move the valves, and it does nothing. As the lady in the shop would tell you, the cable remembers. Well, what does it remember? We didn't do anything. We just moved valves. Valves mean nothing. And you got to press the button to get the green. You press it again, you have no more green. You press it once more, and the green comes back. Isn't this wonderful? Now, this works because we sent an impulse through the cable, so it remembers what it's got to do. On top, it's just a 0, which is why the light is shut off. At the bottom, it goes through a plus sign, which additions a 0 with the code for green. And that's how it works, because 0 plus whatever number is that whatever number. Now, this smorgasbord is, quite frankly, very complicated, and I can't assure of its reliability through a save if things are still going to be turned on. And honestly, I used to use a temporal one. It would be this one, the logic repeater. I used to use that to keep it going. Of course, once you have more than 3, 4, it starts to lag a bit. But fortunately, if you're not too scared of Ma, I can show you something a lot easier. And this one wonderful. Just need to put in your number, put it through a multiplier, and with the toggle, you already have your 2 inputs. 1 times whatever number is that number, and 0 times whatever number is 0. And that's how you get blue. The blue, wonderful. No more blue. More blue. No more blue. Now, that you've got all you need, you can run along and make some machines, some automations, and be what? What do you want? But what is it? You want more? There's no more. What do you mean, lass? You think there's more? Alright, there is more, but you can't tell anybody. It's just a prototype. You see, this is a grand selector. With it, you can get red, you can get green, you can get blue, and you can get nothing. And you can get the hell off my Porsche.